Pancakeswap holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. This is very special video for all cake holders. Keep watching this video till the end, because in this video I'm talking about the Pancakeswap loss, how you can save yourself from loss, my friends. You know what? At this time, the whole cryptocurrencies market is going down. The every coin, Cardano, XRP, coin is going down. This time, the whole cryptocurrencies is in the loss. Same like that, the Pancakeswap price trend is also negative. The last 1 week price is negative, so this means that you're in the loss. So how you can save yourself from loss? In this video I will show you, my friends. Keep watch, my friends. First of all, please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. 12.88 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Pancakeswap. Other side, furthermore, if you took the price changes of the Pancakeswap, so the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, price changes occur in the Pancakeswap is negative, completely fast down occur in this coin, my friends. So what should we do in this critical situation? Let me show you, my friends, the price chart. My friends, the price chart of the Pancakeswap is going down. You can see it from this price chart. Everyone can understand that we are in the lows. The pricing is going down, so we are in the lows, completely in the lows. The last 1 week pricing is negative. That's only last 1 week. And just look here, my friends, just look here, the price of the Pancakeswap. Now in the start of month, the price in the start of week, the price of Pancakeswap is 17 USD dollar, and gradually the price falls down to 16 and something like that, 15, 14, and now the currently pricing is 13, 12 USD dollar. So the price is falls down from 17 to 12 USD dollar in the last 1 week. So that's mean, and same like that, the price change continues in the Pancakeswap from the previous last 1 month. So that's mean that you're whole and the loss. So my friends, my personally and special advice for all of you is that please hold it, don't decide to sell. Otherwise, if you decide to sell, so you're in the loss, because last 1 month pricing is negative. So if the last 1 month pricing is negative, so that's mean that you're in the loss. Thanks for watching this video. My advice is that please hold it, don't decide to sell. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.